forget about the laws of men. Huwag mo na yan. Forget about regulations of human being. Just take a look at the universal equation of justice of God. Then I would ask you, you're a drug lord. By what right do you have in this universe to cook shabu and give it our children to eat, to sniff, and he goes crazy and destroyed for life? Who gave you that right? Wala mo ng batas. Tanongin lang kita, answer me. Sino? By what proclamation o what power na gawin mo yan sa anak ko and destroy their lives forever? Then when I was in San Pedro, Laguna, sabi ko, anong kasalanan ng nanay, pati tatay, bakit mo sinira ang katawan ng 1 year old, 2 years old, 18 months? I-rape mo, tapos patay mo ang bata. Such a fragile human being. Anong kasalanan ng tatay, pati nanay? Sagutin mo ako, kasi pag hindi mo sagot, patayin kita. Ganun eh.
Right.
So, pro-life. Anong i-pro-life mo dyan? Pag hindi mo ako ikaw yung pro-life. Pag hindi mo ako nasagot ng anak na, may problema ka sa akin.
Let us understand the situation. I'm pro-life. Mayor is #1 pro-life. You know, if you address that to Mayor, do not address that to him. You address it to the drug lords. You address it to the criminals who will not hesitate to kill innocent people. Who are pro-life here? Mayor is pro-life. I'm pro-life. What is Mayor do? Killing the killers. Destroying those who destroy life. Who are the destroyers of life? The drug lords. They distribute their poison every day and kill innocent children and young people. They are slowly killing them. And it's cruel. And Mayor runs after them. He runs after the destroyers of life. He is the protector of our life. Don't you understand that? If you don't understand that, then you are not religious at all. What do you mean by pro-life? He protects the life of the youth. He protects the life of the children. What do you call him? If, for example, a snake came into your house and is about to bite your child, what will you do with the snake? Pray over the snake and say, "Do not bite my child"? Or what happened to the Philippines because you have a wrong interpretation of pro-life? Pro-life. Proliferation of evil people, wherever you go, they are the ones, having a heyday over us. Look at Manila. Look at all the cities. That's why the people are mad, are angry. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit si Mayor saan man tinatanggap. Because he's the only one standing for the good of the people.